Saturday morning, going to Sedona with Garrett, so decided we're gonna leave at 6. So I'm gonna head up there in about a half hour while I get ready. And yeah, we're gonna take you guys along with us. It's gonna be our first vlog.
Good morning, gentlemen.
You ready for this?
Fuck you.
Get it.
So amazing.
Yeah.
Old walls that I built for you, just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't, no, I didn't see it coming. Well, like you are the love of
Woo! Energy, what I feel when we go higher, it's lightness in the chest. It kind of makes me feel like, you know when you're a kid and you're having that like childlike excitement, you're like jumping on a trampoline or
just to dig me out with silver spoons. No, I didn't see it coming. Oh, old walls that I'm stuck inside. I guess beauty sees what I can't find. I didn't.
It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous up here, guys. We're, I would say, quite a ways up. About 3/4 of the way up the mountain. That's what's left.
Love of my life. You never leave when the song is over. You ride or die till the end.
I'm telling you, dude, there's a lot of people that all they do is pan for gold.
they look scary as fuck. It's not venomous. Don't kill it. But like it
No
looks.
amplified music in this area, bro. Just letting you know. Walking to Slide Rock. Garrett's still reading signs about snakes that aren't venomous.
Narrow-headed gardener snakes.
So,
Will not kill you. They're illegal to kill.
interesting. So this is the path to Slide Rock.
Is Slide Rock a pea water?
Now
place?
let's
On the way down to Slide Rock, there's this cool marketplace on the side
They have water shoes, definitely a must if you're going to be in the water or going to be walking around. It's pretty slippery. They also have lockers to rent, put in your valuables in that you don't want roasting in that hot Arizona sun.
Hold on. Been to places that I'll never go. Seen some faces that I'll never know. I keep dancing, but it's just for show. Look up at the sky full of stars. Close my eyes, I always see the dark. Tell myself I wanna seize the night.
You never really know what you're going to see when you come down here. This is pretty bizarre. Oh my god, this water was freaking cold, but it was so worth it to catch these views of these rocks. Plus, after your limbs get a little bit numb from how cold it was, you don't really notice it that much. In fact, there's actually kids taking swims, so if they can take care of it, I'm sure you guys can too. One thing I want to get to before Garrett rips the phone out of my hands, I guarantee it, there's gold in here, guys. Bring a shovel, bring a bucket, you're gonna find gold.
All right, let's not get carried away, Mark. Slide Rock itself was ranked as a top 5 swimming hole in the US, but as you push further into Oak Creek Canyon, you can find tons of secluded water holes and peaceful sanctuaries to hang a hammock and relax. But you're gonna have to swim a little and jump from rock to rock, so I definitely recommend water shoes.
All right, guys, so we are at Slide Rock. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, the views are just ridiculous.
We hiked probably a half mile in from where everyone just hangs out. The further you go, just like anything in life, the more of a bitch it is to get to, the more remote it's gonna be, the more secret squirrel it's gonna be. We found a beautiful little spot. We're gonna try to climb this rock. I think I can do it.
Not deep enough for you to jump off of.
Jumping into adulthood.
You got it. You got it. Jump. She got you. Go, buddy. She got you.
Do it!
The form was not great, but we survived. Flip her up. Just jumped off of about 25 feet into this beautiful blue-green water. It was intense. I was scared as crap. Well, we got it in. We got the shot. It's a cool shot. Takeaways from Slide Rock.
I love the fact that there's not a long hike, so obviously with kids and everything like that, wasn't as crowded as I was expecting it to be, quite honestly. I thought everything that I've been told about Slide Rock is usually like horror stories of them shutting down the creek and you know, this, that, or the other thing. I actually thought it was super cool.
Yeah, the further away you go from the main entrance, the less people that there are and the more secluded you can get. If you're looking for a place where you can, you know, hang out on your own, play a little music, I would recommend going a little bit deeper into it, because they're definitely going to tell you to turn it off. The rangers do walk back there, and they had a decent amount of rangers walking around, but it didn't look like they were trying to get anyone in trouble. It was just more of, if you're being obnoxious, they would shut it down, but it was definitely like, it was just
cool. Go to that pizza place that we looked at last time when we drove by.
I'm just not hungry, dude.
You're not hungry?
No. I'm good.
I'm fucking starving.
Alright, you wanna grab a slice?
Might as well.